Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. This is Mask Monday. So I have a product that was sent to me free for review. I'm excited to try this. This is Maree, I think, Marine Collagen Facial Masks. And they're dermatologist recommended, hyaluronic acid and pearl extract, professional treatment, wrinkles, dry skin, and photo aging. And look at the pretty package it is, a beautiful package. And then there are 6 masks inside of here. And they're all a little bit different, and I'm just excited to try them. Because, you know, I'm a mask person, so here we go. This one says, oops, let's see. Marine Collagen Facial Mask. I think they all say that. True to your beauty, this one says. True to your beauty. And there's the back of that one. This is, true to your beauty. So they're all, this is, mask color is violet gold. The mask color of this one is marine lilac. Ooh. And then, like, look at this one. That one is coral pink, coral gold. They're gorgeous. I mean, the packaging is gorgeous. Sapphire gold and blue pearl. So which one? Oh, look at that. Oh, they're gorgeous. The packaging is stunning, y'all. So let me see. I sort of like the sound of that purple. The violet gold or the marine lilac. Let's try that one. Marine lilac. So this says marine complex, collagen, algae, and sea minerals for fresh looks. Reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, hyaluronic acid, and there's pearl extract. And I believe they all have the hyaluronic acid and the pearl essence, or the pearl extract. They do. So they're just, I believe they're all the same, make up the same essence in there. They're just different to look at. So let's see. Oh my goodness, can you all see how pretty that is? Beautiful. All right, let's open it up. Maree. So, I always struggle with these things. Do y'all? I do. So let me get a scissor. I don't want to cut the mask, so I want to be careful. And then one mask is in here. Does it say how long to leave it on? It says to, of course, clean your face, which I did already, and pat dry. And then remove from the bag and apply the mask. And step 3 is wait and relax for 20 minutes. All right, so let's see. Oh, yeah, it's pretty in there. Okay. There's a lot of essence still in there. So there's some stuff going on here. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, the essence feels really nice. Let's see. I always like to smell things. Doesn't really have much of a scent. So this is, let's see if I can figure, all right, here's the eyes are here. This is so pretty. It has there's a pearl, a shell with a pearl in it, and I see a starfish and a whale or a dolphin. I'm not sure what that is. Let me fix the nose flap. All right, let's put it on. How pretty is that? It matches my ears. Okay. So this is beautiful. Well, of course, it's chilly. What y'all's weather like? My weather is just up and down. I think everybody's is. I can't believe it's been snowing in California. That might be over with, but oh my goodness, how crazy is that? I mean, the weather is just upside down. Oh, this is really cute, really cute. Let me get my, oops, there goes everything. I have a glass back here with all kinds of things in it, and I pulled this out and everything came falling out. There's a whale, starfish, shells. Isn't that pretty? Let's see if I can get it a little bit better around my eyes. Oh, it feels really good, y'all. These are available on Amazon. I'll put the link below. They are manufactured for Maree LLC, American brand, formulated and designed in the USA. So that's very nice. A lot of masks are Korean, which is great too. They make wonderful skincare. But it's nice also sometimes to, it's nice to shop locally or shop, you know, from the States. But, oh yeah, this is cute. This t-shirt says, hold on, I see a cat. That's me for sure. So I'm really liking this. It feels good. Single-use mask. I love that it had 6. You know, a lot of boxes will have 3 or 5. So 6 is nice. And American brand, clinical strength. Trust, or true to your beauty is what it says. True to your beauty. So mask color is marine. This one's called Marine Lilac. So that one's the one I have on. And then there's these 5 others. So this is going to be a short video pretty much, y'all. So let's give one of these away. I'll probably throw in a couple of other kind of masks. I'll send you all a couple masks if you win, okay? So say, what are we going to say? Marine, M-A-R-I-N-E. And I will see, I probably will ask you which one. There's violet gold, coral pink, coral gold, sapphire gold, and blue pearl. And you can pick out the one you want. Whoever the winner is, and this will run for 1 week. So I will end it on Sunday. I don't know what the dates are, y'all. So it's going to be Sunday, I think it's the 5th. I think it's Sunday the 5th. I'll end it at noon Central Time because I usually film on Sunday afternoon. And then it'll be in my Mask Monday that will be on Monday, which will be March 6th, I think. I'll put the dates in the description in case I'm wrong. But I'm trying to think of, I think there's, I think today's the 27th, tomorrow's the 28th, and there's no leap year. So Wednesday is the 1st. So that is my Mask Monday, y'all. Isn't it? I love how this matches my ears. I did not do that on purpose. I really wasn't sure what it was going to look like. But isn't that pretty? It feels so good. All right, I'll leave it on for the 20 minutes and I'll come back. I'll tell you, y'all, this feels really good. It does say that marine complex, collagen, algae, and sea minerals for fresh looks, hyaluronic acid, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and pearl extract promotes even tone and smooth, dull skin. So it is professional, science-backed, sustainable, and refreshing. And there is a lot of essence still in here. So I can take that essence and put it on my neck and my décolletage. I always say that wrong. Put it on my arms, put it on my hands. You can do, some people will use those. You can get masks that are dry that you put into the essence and things like that. But this feels really good. And it stayed on really well. Once I got it on, it stayed on well. So let's take it off and see how I feel. It's so pretty. I love it. I love it. It just makes you want a mask. So what I'll do is I'll rub all this essence in. And yeah, so I feel refreshed and ready to go. Oh, I've got my waddle. You know, I'm getting that waddle more and more as I age. All right, y'all. Thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. And just look below in the description for all the information, okay? All right, take care. Bye-bye.